Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series brought to you proudly by Township Entrepreneurs Alliance, popularly known as T, where we profile and share township entrepreneur stories. These are entrepreneurs that have started, ran, and are growing their business. Enjoy.
My name is Monyemangena. I own a company called New Point Trading. I have a salon under that company called Blessing Boutique SA. I started my company in 2018 on the 1st of November due to failure to completing varsity, I'm one person who's been into entrepreneurship for a long time now. And I just thought to myself, instead of sitting, giving up, I'll start something profitable for my community, for my township. My business provides services such as nail technician services, lash technician services, hair services. We're soon to expand into massaging as well. We are stationed at 298 AB Duma Street, Hospital View. You can get a hold of me on 076-158-4608 and on Instagram at blessing_boutique_SA. My name is Blessing Monyemangena and I am a township entrepreneur.